Welcome students, welcome to Confidence Academy. Today I am going to discuss chapter 2, accounting for partnership. In accounting for partnership, that is the first chapter, basic concept. It is totally to English medium students. Right, this chapter is very important because it is connected with next 4 chapters. It is connected with the next 4 chapters. Those are admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner and dissolution of a partnership firm. This chapter totally connected with these 4 chapters. You should understand the what is the meaning of basic concepts and what are the basic concepts involved or included in this chapter. If you understand clearly in this chapter the basic concept of partnership, then you can easily solve the all remaining chapters. Right. Let us know how many marks will be asked on this chapter. Okay. Let us know how many marks will be asked on this chapter. We are going to discuss how many marks we will get and the annual examination. Let us, it may be asked in section 1 marks 1 question, 1 mark 1 question, in section B 2 marks 1 question, and in section C it may be asked 6 marks 1 question, and in section E in practical oriented it may be asked for 5 marks 1 question. Totally this chapter will provide you 14 marks. How many marks? 14 marks. 14 marks you will get from this chapter. Okay. Now it is depend on you how will you concentrate this chapter. Totally it is depend upon you. How will you prepare about this chapter, how will you see or what will you understand about this chapter. It is totally depend upon you. If you understand properly, then you will get 14 marks. Okay. Let me to know how much you know about partnership. What do you mean by partnership, or how much you know partnership? How will you do partnership business? Generally, if you want to start any business with your friend, relation or any person, then what will you do? Basically, you discuss with your partner about amount to be distributed, how much amount to be invested by each partner, and distribution of profit. After getting the profit, you will take as much profit, I will take as much profit, like that only you will discuss. It is the basically. Then you start business. After discussing with your partner, you will start business. After starting the business, you will do the business. After 1 year, what will you do? You will calculate how much profit you got. After the profit, what will you do? You will share the profit as you discuss, as you agreed before starting the business. Usually in all business it won't happens like this. Means what you have agreed after you will do business and what will be the profit, you will share each other. But in all business it won't happen, because in some business or with some partners there will be disputes. Why disputes will arise? Because of lack of agreement. Means before you won't do proper agreement, or it is totally depend upon the persons, because my mentality, my thinkings are different from your thinkings and your mentality, right. After 1 year I may change or I may deny for your agreement, like that only. This chapter discuss to solve these disputes. This chapter will provide you some information how you can after understanding this chapter, you will be able to solve the disputes among the partners. Okay. To let us know What Partnership Act saying about partnership? Okay, meaning of partnership. Partnership Act is 1932. Section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 defines partnership as the relation. What is this? It is the relation who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. What it is saying means, India Partnership Act 1932 says it is the relation between persons, who accepted distribute the profit which is arise from the business. Which business? That business which is run by all partners or any one partner on behalf of all partners is called as partnership. Means what it is saying means, the business can be run by all partners or any one partner, or any one partner. After the 1 year, if we get any profit, that should be shared by the partners, that is called as partnership.